Merry Christmas, everyone. So this one can be opened, and then that one. But the cats, well, here they come. They got tons of presents. You want me to come in here? Let's open it in here. Come on. Come on, Sage. Let's open it in here. The last day, they got tons of presents. Looks like I have toddlers. I don't. I just have cats. Lots and lots of cats. All right, Jack. You're the only one who wants to open this? Come on, Sage. Here we go. What did we get? Here's Danny. What did we get for the last day? It's a salmon recipe puree. All right. Let's see if Dad, you can tear this off for us. Let's see what happens. Oh my God, I have 5 cats. There's also scissors right here if you need to cut the top off. Now, not all cats can figure out these things, and I don't know if I can do it one-handed, but Pepper the Feral, she can do it. Let's see if well, I don't want to do this. I just got some salmon juice on my finger. Okay, Honey's getting it.
Ow, you bastard!
Oh my God, it's leaking. Oh my God, it stinks. Oh my God, I do not like this.
Just deal with
This is the worst treat ever. Oh no, it's leaking. It's gross. Oh, I'm gonna puke. It smells. Okay, it leaked all over the place. Robert just threw it away. It stinks. I don't know that it smells right. I know salmon stinks, but we usually do chicken ones that are much better, but I don't know. Didn't smell right. Sorry, they're licking it up.
It smelled too fishy to me.
Robert said it smelled too fishy, so we'll get him a different treat. I'll let them destroy the box. Maybe that'll distract him when I go do my Nightmare Before Christmas tree. Here we go. No cats. I successfully distracted them. And so we are going to open this big window here. Oh look, Oogie Boogie's face is in the moon. Was I supposed to open this up the first day? It's a little booklet. Aw, that's really cool. And it oh, there he is. Didn't get distracted for long. It explains every single ornament. That is pretty cool. It says each character. Showdown with Oogie Boogie. I love it. Oh, you've got salmon juice on you. Get off my book. Merry Christmas, everyone. And here they come. You got salmon on you too.